Mopar to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Has it got a Hemi? Why, of course it does. This one has a 6.1 liter Hemi V8 underneath the hood. It's a 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT8. And listen to this, best of all, 2-owner vehicle, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, and 8,351 original miles. That's right, just a little over 8,300 miles. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front bumper, chin spoiler, grille. That Hemi is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, by the way. Of course, nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, and you can see how clean that front bumper is. Free of major chips, touch-ups, anything like that. Hemi orange. What other color would you want? Paint's in great shape. Take a look at the carbon fiber type stripe on that hood. If you want to really see how clean this car is, look at the still pictures and look at the underside pictures in with them. There'll be close to 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. You'll see the car underneath the hood, interior, trunk, like I said, undersides, car from every angle. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Riding on a great looking SRT wheel, slotted rotors, painted calipers. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side again. You can see how well the paint shows. Black interior, also in beautiful shape, leather suede combination. Of course, the Hemi orange insert, SRT8, SRT embroidery, I should say. AM, FM, CD with a Sirius radio capabilities, heated seats, center console, buckets, electric rear defog. And once again, you can see that paint almost looks like it's wet. How the lights shine off of it. Good looking flat black spoiler. Of course, dual exhaust. If you like Mopars, muscle cars, cars in general for that matter, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them, they are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Few notes from the technician on this one, but not much. No shakes or vibrations, no pulls, brakes straight. Brakes are 90% in the front, 80% in the rear. It does have new tire pressure monitoring sensors, so those are new. Checked out great. And once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. So we take a look down this driver's side. Again, you can see paint looks great. I have not really noticed anything for imperfections. If there is, it's nothing much. So I will tell you, if you've been in the market for one of these or kind of been holding off or maybe waiting for the right one, and you like this one, don't hesitate. These cars are a lot of bang for the buck for what you pay for them and what you get. And you don't come across them this clean, let alone with this kind of miles on them very often. And great looking Hemi orange, 2-owner, clean Carfax. What more do you want? Modern amenities on the interior, also power mirrors, power locks, power windows. That suede insert looking great in the door too. Power seat over here on the driver's side. Seat's also in very nice shape. Leather, really not worn at all. If you ever see this suede like this and it looks like it's kind of two different colors and you think maybe it's stained or not, that's the nap of the suede. That just means that suede's really clean, supple, and the way it's supposed to be. Of course, steering wheel controls. Mentioned heated seats. So nicely equipped. There's the exact miles, 8,351. Now, in real life, that's not like blinking, what you see in the camera. That's due to the phase of the camera. So in real life, you're looking at that. That looks like it should. Top of the dash looking good. Let's go ahead and show you the radio's working quick. 8351. is all unbelievable. Gas gauge working, tach working. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. Nice sounding car too. Deep throaty exhaust note. Best of all, I really haven't noticed any modifications on this thing. If you like them stock. There, you can hear it. A little rumble coming out of that dual exhaust. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Might be a little easier with two hands. Let's get this hood open, then stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this thing for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Those are cool lights. Amber ones in the center. All right, let me get this hood open. Look at that hood liner. How clean that is. You can tell it hasn't been driven in the winter, inclement weather. No doubt about that. There it is. Heavy V8. Paired up with that automatic transmission. And power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Heater blows hot. No surprises underneath there either. Beautiful Mopar 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT8, 2-owner, clean Carfax, low mile. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, look at the underside pics. Serious. You want to see how clean this car is? And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 2008 Dodge Challenger in orange and black. Looking good. This is an automatic right here on the center console. You can also bump left and right for plus and minus on your gears. This one not overbearingly loud. It sounds fairly factory exhaust. But you still hear that throaty rumble from the V8. Now our fuel gauge reads almost 3/4 of a tank. Speedometer and tachometer working as they should. The temperature is about 180, still warming up. Stereo sounds great.
This is 94.1 FM.
Very nice low mile condition. Less than 9,000 miles currently in this car. You missed your chance to get a 2008. This is a darn good chance. She's in real good condition inside and out. Looks like ventilated seats, a little bit of leather, a little bit of soft cloth, possibly suede looking material. Looking good everywhere I look. Headliner, dash. Brakes nice and smooth. The Challenger, a bit of an icon from Mopar. That's why they brought it back. On the dash it says first edition, number 234 of the 6400. Check out all the pictures of this Challenger at UniqueClassicCars.com.